up, shawty? It's your boy, Low Red 6.0, back here again with another banger. And today we got a big old mod. It's a big boy. Alright, so first I want to give a shout out to Power Stroke Nation on Instagram and Move It Fabrication. I'm going to put their Instagram up on the screen right now. But basically, yeah, Move It Fabrication made me this, and then Power Stroke Nations went ahead and sent it out to me, and it's pretty sweet. I can't wait. Alright, here she is. So, they sent me out this big old hot boy tip, baby. We got a 8-inch outlet, or a 5-inch inlet, 8-inch outlet, boy. Oh, she's so big. This is hot boy right here. Brap. This is gonna get all the ladies. Whistling Diesel, I'm coming for you. I love this thing. Pimp. But let's bust out the old tape measure and see what we got. Okay. So we have 8.5. About 8.5 right there. That's pretty big. And then if we set it down on its side, let's see, we got about 17.5 long. What's our diameter? This. Oh, she's a perfect 5, baby. The size comparison. Right now there's a 6-inch on there, and this one is 8.5. Oh, she's a monster. Look at this baby. Look at this big tip. So basically what I'm gonna have to do is there's a few tacks on this. Let's see if I can get to one. There's a tack right there on the bottom side. Basically what I'm gonna have to do is get a little grinder and grind those tacks off. Take that nut out right there, and it should slide right off. One thing I'm going to have to do, since I have a 4-inch turboback exhaust, so one thing I'm gonna have to do to fit that new inlet is go get a 4 to 5-inch adapter so I can slide it inside that new tip and then slide it on my previous exhaust, so it'll fit up all perfect. But yeah, I'm gonna have to go grab one of those, and then we'll be installing her. Ooh. Would you just look at how massive it is? It's so big. That's hot boy right there. That's pimp. So, make sure you stay tuned for the install video. So basically what happened was I entered into a little giveaway that Power Stroke Nation was doing on Instagram. They were collabing with Move It Fabrication to give away a tip. So I went ahead and entered in that. There was quite a few entries. I guess I got picked, which super grateful for. I'm happy about this tip. It's going to be a good little mod to the truck. Once again, big thanks to Power Stroke Nation and Move It Fabrication for the tip. If you guys don't already, go follow them on Instagram. Check them out. It's my favorite Power Stroke page on the gram. Stay tuned for the install video. If you haven't already, go down and subscribe. Hit that button. It's not hard. Like, comments, and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram at LittleRed 6.0 and truck.outcasts. I post daily. You're probably like, what's up with that tip, bro? It's a little chipped up. Well, we can all thank our friendly U.S. Postal Service for that one. So basically what they did was Well, Power Stroke Nation sent me a clamp and a hanger for the tip since it's heavy. It's like 16 pounds. But they went ahead and set that in the box. Well, when the box finally got to me, it was all tore up. Like, they did not handle it with care at all. So, of course, it was wrapped and stuff, not really nice in there, but just careless in transportation, had everything slapping together in the box. And oh well, it's not a biggie. It's not a big old deal. It's just a few little nicks. Not a big deal. Hit it with some paint and slap her on. I'm gonna throw my good old logo on it. Right there. Throw that baby on there. She's gonna look good. So stoked. If you guys haven't already, go check out the last video. I did a little rundown on how much it would cost to build my 6.0. In the video before that, I did a whole collab of 2 years of owning my truck, a bunch of crazy videos. So if you haven't already, go check that out. Those are good videos too. Please subscribe. Come back next time. It's a little baby right there.